Hey guys, Dave here from Easy Country Cooking and Cook and Share. You know, it's January and I wanted some soup and I wanted some cream of mushroom soup, but I couldn't stand the stuff in the can. I just wanted to make my own and I did it in 30 minutes. Came out absolutely spectacular. You simply have to make this, so let me show you how to do it. Okay guys, what I've got here is about 8 or 10 button mushrooms. I'm just going to go ahead and put these on a chopping board and slice them up fairly thin. Next up, we're going into a soup pot over medium-high heat with about 3 or 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. And you know, just kind of swirl this around and let it melt down for a couple of minutes. After that butter is melted down, we're going in with a small chopped onion. This is just a white onion, you know, any onion will work fine. Followed by 3 cloves of chopped garlic. I just have to have my garlic. Grab up those mushrooms that I've chopped up and throw these into the mix. Now we'll just stir these around and saute them up until those mushrooms begin to sweat and darken and that wonderful, wonderful aroma of garlic fills the air. Alrighty then, after a few minutes our mushrooms are coming along nicely and they've begun to sweat, so I'm going to go in with 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And just kind of stir this around until that flour combines nicely and begins to cook. And this will only take you, I'd say about 3-4 minutes, something like that. Next up, pour in about 1.5 cups of chicken stock. Next up, in with about 1.5 cups of table cream. Now this is about 18% fat. You could probably get away with half and half, or even milk, but it won't be quite as creamy as it should be. Alright, season things up with about 1 teaspoon of salt. Another teaspoon or 2 of the old ground black pepper or pepper. And last but not least, about 1 teaspoon of dried thyme. Alrighty then, just give everything a stir until it's nicely combined and just kind of bring it to a simmer. And we're still over medium-high heat here, guys. Now we got a good simmer happening here. I'm just going to reduce the heat to medium-low and we'll let this simmer away for about 10 or 15 minutes. And you know what guys, we are pretty much done it here, but don't go away yet. Because just look at this. Doesn't this look absolutely incredible? I think so anyway. So let's go ahead and grab up the old ladle and ladle this into a bowl. Oh my goodness, winter goodness. Well, it really doesn't have to be winter, a cool, rainy day, or any time for that matter. I mean, in my humble opinion, soup is absolutely fine any time of the year. And I mean, to make things all pretty like, I went ahead and garnished this up with some fresh parsley flakes. And some mushrooms over the top just to make it look all professional. And doesn't this look great, guys? You are going to love this. And I mean, you spoon this up and try it. It is incredible. It's creamy, rich, and it is real, not canned. It is real mushroom soup that you will never forget and everybody will love it. And if you do try it, leave us a comment and of course give us a like because it does help the channel out. And most of all, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe and see you next time.